Hello and welcome to this video. This is a hotel and room tour of the Salou Princess in Salou Costa Dorada. We are just back from a 7-night stay here in June 2023. We travelled with TUI and I felt that this video would be helpful for anyone travelling in the near future. I will give you hints and tips about the hotel itself and the local area, so stay tuned. All your meals are served in the Terraco Restaurant, which is located in the main foyer area. Breakfast is 7:45 until 10:15 AM, lunch is 12:45 until 2:45 PM, and dinner is 6:45 until 9:45 PM. We actually had half board, which is inclusive of breakfast and dinner, but with a 24-hour notice they are able to swap it for lunch. You just have to let them know when you're heading into the restaurant. Everything is buffet style, so it is all located all around the restaurant. The outside pool does open from 9 AM until 8 PM each day. This is where you will find all of your sunbeds and beds that you can hire from the reception also. The pool does have a hydraulic lift for access customers, and there is also a jacuzzi on the upper level. There are also cool events happening in and around the pool, such as aqua aerobics, which we did take part in. It was very fun. You will find the information about this in the reception area of what time it does happen. Something I found helpful was the fact that the wristband that you are given at check-in is actually your entrance into your room. All you need to do is pop the band up to the door, it will go green and let you into your room. I've obviously had this at other hotels such as Disney hotels with the magic band, but I haven't had this at a hotel in Salou, but I did find it very helpful. It meant that you didn't have to remember the key card that you usually pop into the lights when you leave, and you've always got it on your wrist. You can also pay at the bar with your wristband if you've provided a credit card or debit card on file as well, which is also very helpful. We stayed in a standard twin room with balcony overlooking the front of the hotel. The room was okay, it was your basic hotel room, although I did find it very small for a 4-star hotel. We have stayed in many hotels in Salou before and the rooms were just much bigger than this. We were obviously 2 girls, so we had quite a bit of clothes with us, and the actual wardrobe area wasn't enough for the amount of things that we had between us, although we did make it work. I would have liked a bath as well. I know that a shower is obviously easier, but for me, I do like my baths. And sometimes when you've been on your feet all day, especially at the theme park, it's nice to have obviously a bath, but that was just one of my personal preferences. But apart from that, it did us for the 7 days that we were there. Location wise, the hotel is in a great place. It's about a 5-minute walk along one main road towards the beach area and the main strip. There are plenty of restaurants, pubs, clubs, bars, anything you could possibly need en route as well. There is a mini golf opposite, so that's great for all the family. And there's also plenty of supermarkets, including right next door as well. If you need the bus, there's a bus stop right outside that takes you to Tarragona, La Pineda, Cambrils, and on the other side of the road, literally opposite, there is a bus that takes you to Portaventura. You can also walk there in around 20 minutes, and we have done that walk multiple times as well. But that is the end of our tour. If you do find it helpful, I would love to hear from you. Leave a little comment, and if you are off to Salou soon, I hope you have an amazing holiday. Please keep checking my channel because I will be updating another video of my top tips of things to do in Salou for the whole family. Thanks for watching.